Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solarx token. Ticker symbol is SOLX. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting September 20th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, the Solarx token is going to be listed September 20th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Lbank. So basically how you'd get this token is you could simply download Lbank from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SOLX, and then simply just buy the token. September 20th. The Solarx project is an innovative and eco-friendly approach to cryptocurrency mining that aims to use renewable energy sources to power the mining process. This is a significant development in the world of cryptocurrency, where mining has traditionally been associated with high energy consumption and negative impacts on the environment. It was actually just announced that Bitcoin is now using over 50% green energy for mining, so that's good news, speaking of environmental impacts. Now, this is a Polygon token. They have 18 decimal places on this token, and according to their Polygon scan, there is a total supply of 406 million Solarx tokens. You can find their webpage, solarx.ai. They have a Telegram at Solarx Official. And they have a Twitter at SolarXCoin. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project and see their listing announcement for Lbank on there and all sorts of other announcements as well. So, one of the key benefits of the Solarx project is its potential to be used as a model for sustainable cryptocurrency mining. As the crypto industry continues to grow and mature, concerns about the environmental impact of mining are likely to become increasingly pressing. Solarx represents an innovative solution to this issue, providing a more sustainable approach to mining that can be replicated and scaled up over time. Overall, the Solarx project represents an exciting development in the world of crypto and green energy, combining the cutting-edge tech with a commitment to environmental sustainability by leveraging renewable energy sources and the latest mining hardware. Solarx has the potential to be a game changer in the crypto industry, paving the way for a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. By harnessing solar energy and green energy, Solarx can greatly reduce the carbon footprint associated with cryptocurrency mining, making it a more sustainable, eco-friendly approach. So they show you, if you go over to solarx.ai, they show you what the mining device looks like. It kind of looks like a PlayStation or something at first glance. Anyways, I don't see it. I can't tell the size of it, but it just looks like a black PlayStation almost with a big X on it. Solarx device is developed to use solar panels or other renewable energy sources to power the mining process, reducing the device's environmental impact and potential lowering operating costs. The mining device works by solving complex mathematical equations to verify transactions on a network and earn Solarx coins as a reward. This mining device is built on Solarx GreenX chain and is compatible with the blockchain's consensus mechanism and follows its own network's rules for validating transactions between Solarx devices. The use of renewable energy sources for cryptocurrency mining can help to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly industry and could potentially offer cost savings and other benefits to mining companies. Reduced energy consumption. By using solar power instead of traditional power sources, the device could significantly reduce energy consumption and associated costs. So it goes over the watt. So watt is a unit of power, which is a measure of energy per unit of time in Solarx mining. In the context of Solarx cryptocurrency mining, watt will be used to measure the power consumption of mining hardware. Solarx project will use watt as a measurement, and it kind of repeats itself a little bit here. So it says, just kind of over and over repeats itself on here. This is what happens probably when you translate things from different languages. I'm assuming this is translated and they just kind of don't know how to put it in different words, so they just repeat themselves a couple different times on their white paper, which you can find at solarx.ai/whitepaper. Skip down to the next section. Anyways, it's measured in watts, and they repeat that 67 times. Solarx mining stores excess solar energy in a battery for use at night to mine. So that's interesting. So it uses power during the day, but then also saves energy in the battery to mine more tokens overnight. Interesting. The mining device will be connected to a solar panel, an inverter, and a battery bank to function. Kind of like, it's very similar to Tesla with the solar panels on the roof, and then they have the battery wall inside the house. That's kind of the same idea here. And then it repeats itself 7 more times, and Solarx is an ERC20 governance token and a utility coin. So basically it's a governance token. So it's going to enable you voting rights as well. By holding the token, you can vote on proposals and how you think the project should go in the future. So to summarize, miners will receive 10% of the 40% allocated for mining each year. Transaction fees in centralized exchanges will be 3% of each transaction and will go to the Solarx treasury. In the mining pool, there will be a 10% fee, and these fees will also go to the Solarx treasury. So there's that. There's a Solarx facility you can learn about. You can learn about wind, solar, or electrical facilities, pollution, grids. There's so much information here. I don't know why they repeat themselves so much, because if you scroll down, there's an insane amount of info on here. They could have summarized more concisely. There's a roadmap on here as well. Very lengthy roadmap. So basically, in a nutshell, we got 20,000 mining devices sold for Solarx GreenX chain. Build the Solarx GreenX chain, launching 2 more Solarx miners, green energy facility, Solarx microgrids, P2B energy trading, house mining, charging points for cars, Solarx bike decentralization nodes, drone delivery, and cloud gaming. So those are all the things that they're going to come out with. And you can read more in depth about each one of those categories on their white paper. Check it all out, solarx.ai. You can find this token newly listed on Lbank starting September 20th. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.